I'm Jess at InfoComm 2025, and today I am hanging out at the Audio-Technica booth, and I want to talk to you about clutter. Because if you hate that feeling, you know when you walk into a conference room and you look at the table and it's just covered in cables and they go in every direction and they're tangled in knots, there's technology everywhere, and if that is sounding awful to you, don't worry, Audio-Technica has some solutions to help you level up the audio and decrease the clutter. Most importantly, what I want to talk to you about today is the beamforming ceiling array microphone. Check out this sleek little beauty. So this ceiling mounted mic is going to pick up sound with exceptional quality no matter where people are seated around the table. So everyone has an opportunity to be heard in your meetings, while again, reducing the clutter and the technology needed on the table. And you are absolutely going to love how easy this is to install. I promise you, your team is going to love how easy it is to use. There's no buttons, there's no fuss. They just walk in and are ready to rock. But if you want to see this in action, you have to come by the Audio-Technica booth. In fact, you can actually join a live meeting in progress. This is a super cool demo, so definitely come take a part of that there. And the most important thing with this is, again, we're talking about reducing the clutter and reducing the noise while leveling up that connection opportunity for your team. Because really, the only thing that you need on the table are all your good ideas, right? So come check out the Audio-Technica booth. I'll see you there.